Hello friends, welcome back to Web Designing with us. In this video, we are talking about table tag in HTML and how to use table tag and what is TD, TH and TR in HTML. So first see what is table. Table is the collection of rows and columns. Vertical lines are the columns and horizontal lines are the rows, and the intersection of rows and column is the cell. So let's see how to use table tag in HTML. So first open Notepad, write the basic syntax of HTML and then add table tag. Less than sign, table, greater than sign, and then close the table tag with /. So this is our table tag, and let insert tr tag to add the rows. Tr tag is used to insert the rows in table tag, and tr tag is always written inside the table tag. So this is our first row. Then add second row, then again add third row. So this is our table with three rows. So let's add columns in first row. th is used to add columns or table heading. So this is our first column of first row. Then second column, then third column of first row. So these are our three columns. So add some text in our cell. Let's say SR number. Then in second column, name. Then in third column, subject. Let's add another column for showing the marks. Change the text and write the mark. So this is our first row ready with 4 columns. Let's save this page and run this in the browser. So here you can see 4 columns are appear, but table border we cannot see. So let's add table border. Just type in table tag border is equal to double inverted comma and the value. So you can see here the table border. So in output there is a one whole table border and one border for each cell. So we can increase the table border. So you can see the difference between border, table border and cell border. So let's add second row. First add TD. TD is also used for creating columns. I will show you the difference between TH and TD. Save this page and go to the browser and refresh. So this is our first column of second row. Then add second column. I am just copying this text and pasting it down. Paste again. So these are our 4 columns. Let's change the text. Type here name of students. Then type subject. Let's say physics, and then add marks. 55. So let's save this page and run this page in the browser. So here we can see 2 rows and 4 columns of the table. So let's add columns in third row. I am pasting above columns and let's change the text. Type here to change the name of the student, change the subject, and change the marks. So here you can see 3 rows are appears. So let's again copy this row and paste it down and change the numbers, change the name, and also change the marks. Save this page and run in the browser. So here you can see the 4 rows and 4 columns. So this is our table. So you can see the difference between TH and TD. The TH text is bolder. TH is usually used for writing the table heading. If you get the knowledge from this video, hit the like button, and if you want to learn HTML, then subscribe our channel and press the notification bell. So that's it in this particular video. See you in the next video. Thank you.